evening, everyone. It's a pleasure to me to stay with Mr. Francisco Paredes. He is in B1 level and this is his interview. Mr. Francisco.
Good evening, teacher. My name is Francisco. I am B1 level. I prepared my topic about the best hobby in this world. My topic is aquariums. When I was a child, my parents had a fish. I saw the fish. I thought how fish slept. In one occasion, I put the fish in my bed. Obviously, the fish died. But now I have more fishes in my life because this hobby is very important for me. Normally, I have many problems in my job. I am stressed. For this reason, when I arrive to my house, I see my fish and my day changes. I have 3 aquariums. The first has plants with 3 scalar fish. The second aquarium has more different states of guppies, and the last aquarium has black axolotl. Once a month, I need to clean my aquariums. I rinse quarter of water, I put new water without chlorine, I clean very well the lamps, filters and airbombs. In conclusion, I recommend this hobby for mental health. With fish, your life will be free of stress.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Francisco. I have some questions to you, okay? Please tell me, what are the equipment to have a good aquarium?
Okay, you need the basic equipment. You need airbombs, filters, lamps, obviously the aquarium with weather, and more.
Thank you, Mr. Francisco. What is the perfect size to maintain an aquarium?
It depends what is your special fish or what you like fish, because for example the guppy is small, you need a small aquarium. You need other fish more bigger, you need a bigger aquarium.
Thank you. Where is the perfect place to have an aquarium?
You can put any place the aquarium in your house, in your job. I recommend not put near to the windows no more.
Okay, thank you. Would you recommend people this hobby?
Yes, because this hobby is very recommended for mental health.
Okay, thank you. What is your favorite marine species?
I like clownfish.
Why?
Because I like Search to Memo movie and this fish is very rare, strange, and I like the aquarium.
Okay, thank you. Would you like to visit the biggest aquarium in the world?
Yes, I would like to visit this aquarium.
Okay, thank you. Did you remember your first fish's name?
Yes, I remember my first fish name was Darwin.
Okay, thank you. Tell me, what is the process to introduce a new fish in the aquarium?
Okay, you need to recommend the 3 steps for put new fish in the aquarium. The black plastic put in the water, and the second step is you need to rest all water in the black plastic, and then finally put the new fish in the aquarium.
Thank you. How many times is necessary to change the water?
Once a month, because no more times in others, no more. It doesn't count. Change every week. For me, it's once a month.
Okay, thank you. Is necessary to feed the fish every day?
Yes, because the fish need to eat, and you need put the food 1 time a day.
Okay, thank you. When is the perfect time to feed the fish? Morning, afternoon, or night?
It depends for the owner, because in my case I put food
Okay, thank you. Mr. Francisco, say goodbye to our public.
Goodbye, my public.